Find or read reviews that people are talking of DaybreakAura 5-watt solar panels for security cameras. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Upgrade 3-in-1 port. The Daybreak solar panel kit is equipped with a barrel DC port, along with barrel plug DC to USB-C and barrel plug DC to micro USB adapters. As a result, this kit is suitable for use with DC 5-volt rechargeable battery cameras featuring barrel DC, micro USB, or USB-C ports. Please note that it is not intended for use with plug-in cameras. Compatible with Ring camera. DaybreakAura solar panel utilizes quality material to offer continuous power. Specially compatible with Ring Spotlight Cam Plus/Pro battery and Ring Stick Up Cam 3RD/2ND generation battery. Note: the solar panel is DC 5-volt port and is not compatible with any plug-in camera without battery. Compatible with Arlo. Wide compatible with for the Arlo Essential Spotlight/XL Spotlight Camera, Spotlight Cam Plus/Spotlight Cam Pro, UFICAM camera and more. Upgrade 5-watt continuous charging. Daybreak 5-watt, maximum, high-efficiency solar panel means that with just a few hours of direct sunlight every day, your camera will stay charged around the clock. 360-degree mount and 9.8 feet or 3-meter cable. Our product includes a distinctive 360-degree wall mount, facilitating effortless positioning of your solar panel for optimal sunlight exposure. Furthermore, the solar panel is accompanied by a 9.8 feet/3-meter power cable, enabling easy installation in various locations. IP65 waterproof and water resistance. Our DaybreakAura solar panel is built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, including rain, snow, extreme cold and heat, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. It's the ideal choice for providing solar power to your wireless security camera. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.